So you've got yourself a 20Go Classic scooter like this one. In this video, I am going to teach you everything you need to know before you start riding with it. First, place the 20Go box in front of you so you can open it from the top and take the scooter out. Place it over the table. Also, take out the bag with the instructions, tools and strap. Now, remove the plastic bag and continue by pulling the latch lock towards the stem. Hold it while you pull the stem away from the deck. Pull down the kickstand to let the 20Go Classic stand on its own. Let's proceed to assembly the handlebar. First, open the upper clamp and remove the plastic protection from the upper clamp side. And pull the handles away from the side of the stem. Proceed to attach the handles, push them until you hear the security lock buttons click. If you would rather have the handles a little bit tighter, it's very easy. Introduce the screws a little bit farther in. The last thing will be to close the upper clamp to secure that the handles are locked and will not vibrate. To adjust the height of the handlebar is very simple. Open the lower clamp, push the metal pin and raise the stem to the height that feels most comfortable to you. To finish, just lock back the lower clamp and that's it. The back fender of your 20Go Classic works as a brake for the scooter. To slow down, you only need to step on with your back foot. The more pressure you put on the fender, the harder you will brake. So now that you know how to unfold it quickly, let's fold it back, put on the strap and take it to the street to teach you how to ride it. You must place yourself on top of the scooter with your legs on each side of the board and take the handlebar with both hands. Try to put your right foot on top of the board and check how you feel. Now, try with the other foot and balance a little. You should have a position that feels more comfortable than the other one. So that's pretty much it. Let's ride.